making things into something. Yan, no? Art. Last 3 minutes na lang po. Kapag natapos na po, iwan nyo na lamang po sa gitna ng grupo para po makita ng bawat isa. Lagyan nyo ng space para mapakita po natin sa bawat grupo. Or dito na lang po sa harapan. Pakilera na lang po dito sa harapan ang mga gawa ninyo.
Pasok mo pa. Ayun, ayun. Music, art team. Tied together.
Okay na po? Ilang minutes na lang, Sir Kuyan? O, last 2 minutes. Tapos na po ang group number 3. Wala po ba na kinaanin? Talaga magtatlong po yan, ha?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, bilangin niyo, ma'am.
Baka kinuha niyo iba. Ano ba?
Bilangin.
Hindi po. Joke lang.
Straight to count. Straight to count.
30 seconds na lang daw po, sabi ni Sir Kuyan. Wow, ang gaganda ng mga gawa niyo. Very good, children.
Nice counting.
Okay na pinapapungso. May slow pa dito. Diyan na lang po, para po, ano. Okay.
Ano yan, Kate? Blow.
Tapos, pakipulot po muna natin yung mga plastic for straw. Yung pinag-alisan po ng straw. Napansin ko po nakakalat eh. Okay. Ang group, okay. Tapos na po ang group 4. Group 5. Group 6. Okay. Medyo layuan po natin ang konti yung mga gawa natin. And may we call on... Okay, sige po, simulan na natin ang group 1. Sabi nila, sila daw ang sisimula. Sino po ang mag-explain ng kanilang ginawa? Kahit sino po.
Good afternoon. This is a construction of the group 1. We intend to make a pyramid, a triangular pyramid. That is the height that we were able to produce out of the 30 straws. Thank you.
Sir, bakit po, tanong lang po, bakit po naisip yung ganyan ang gawin ninyo?
Usually a triangle. We can reinforce that current with a triangle using triangle.
May we ask everyone to please settle down? Thank you po. Okay, so we can give time also to, so you can see the other works.
Ang inspiration namin sa paggawa namin ng tripod na ganyan ay ito. Producer, resource persons, learners. It has a relationship with a very strong foundation or framework Kasi meron tayong misyon patataasin natin ang antas ng produksyon sa edukasyon. So yan ang ginawa namin. So yan ay produkto ng katang-isip ng Group 1. Salamat.
Okay, Group 2. Group 2? Request lang po, pagkatapos niyo po mag-explain tungkol sa gawa niyo, huwag niyo pong alisin yung inyong ginawa. Okay po, salamat po.
Hello, good afternoon to everyone. So, just like the group 1, we did a tripod symbolizing triangle. Although hindi pare-pareho sukat, but for kasi we have all our differences. So as teachers, we are all transmitters of knowledge. Okay, based on the following 3 tasks. First, we must be a God-fearing person. Because whatever we do to our students, we will stand accountable. Second, we must be country-oriented. Because there will be no responsible citizens without us as teachers, and of course without the guidance of God. And then, the other one is, ano ba yung isa ma? Okay, yung okay, yung isa naman yung the knowledge itself na yung tinatransmit natin sa students. Okay? So, yun lang po.
Thank you, sir. How about Group 3? Sino po mag-explain ng Group 3?
Good afternoon. August Baldas po ng NCR. So, ang gawa po namin, para po doon sa mga hindi na nakakakita dito. Okay. So, ang gawa namin ay nagre-represent sa relation or the connection of the teachers to students. Because, and the 4 corners, usually napansin namin, 3 corners lang 3 tama? Ayun, may 4 naman pala. O sa amin, 4 kasi it represent the 4 components of MAPE. So music, arts, PE, and yan. Okay? And always, wala po itong putol. Ano po? Ibig sabihin, talagang dapat may continuity, may pagkakaisa, no? Between the teachers, between the components of MAPE, and then at the same time, sa kanyang estudyante. So bakit po turo sa taas? Kasi the students and the teacher, ay meron po tayong isang goal na kailangan nating maabot. Yung ating vision at saka mission. So yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you po, sir. Group 4. Sino naman po sa Group 4? Mamaya nyo na po kunan ng pictures yung mga gawa nyo.
For Group 4, we were able to form a triangular shape which represents, it's a triangulation because in curriculum planning, we believe in triangulation which involves, of course, the curriculum, the student, and the teacher who implements the curriculum, and the student who absorbs the curriculum, and of course, we have the curriculum itself. We want our students, this represents also that we want our students to achieve the pinnacle of success because we have a pinnacle which is the tallest or the highest point of the antenna, and this is also as Sir was actually sharing, this also represents versatility. Medyo nakaangat siya, no? Naka-open yung sa ilalim, ready to leap, kasi we want our products to achieve the goals of K-12, which is handa sa trabaho, handa sa kolehiyo, at handa sa mundo. Yun.
Okay, thank you, sir. How about Group 5? Sige na po.
Good afternoon. we are presenting a work of art that represents all our desires. So as you can see, yung ginawa namin, it's kind of a leaning tower. Kung makikita ninyo yung base, nakatali, which means kahit kaano na yung struggle, na talaga yung teacher nakakalina, yung paa nakatali pa rin doon sa dedication nila, their willingness to teach, their desire to touch the lives of all students or all learners. So as you can see, yung tower namin, ma'am, yung tower namin may extension. Hindi po ito nilagay dahil wala na kaming choice. Okay. Ang reason po talaga, bakit ganyan yan? Kasi teachers flexible. We are open for all possibilities. We are open for expansion para business. Yun. Ganon. So, yun po yung purpose niya. Kung ano pa yung darating, ang teacher kahit nakalin, tanggap lang. So, teachers, lahat po kayo ay for me, dahil ako po ay naging produkto rin ng mga magagaling na teacher, we are all heroes. Thank you po.
Salamat po. Pwede po natin ilipat na sa harapan ang ating gawa. How about group 6? Excuse me, sir. Ho. Thank you, sir.
Hello. Ibigay sa iba, no?
Yes, good afternoon. So the group 6 here, our vision here is, our activity actually represents the teachers of the MAPE. So you have here the 4 sets of teachers in the MAPE, 4 legs, okay? Music, arts, PE, and health. And then wherein the MAPE teachers are being what you call guided by the different agencies, the national government agencies. And these 4 agencies are the DepEd. We have from the Teacher Education Council. We have also from the CHED, and of course from the DepEd itself. Okay, and then binding us together is the mission of the K-12 program. So we started with 4 teachers, trying to produce not only 4 but with additional 1 there as an output. So we do not aim for the height, but we aim for more of people to produce people who are very creative. Thank you.
Okay, thank you po. Sa mga ginawa niyo po na ipakita po ang creativity, resourcefulness, and the hindi lang po balance, cooperative of each member. Ngayon po, na nakikita niyo po sa harapan, andito po lahat ang ginawa ninyo. Pwede po pumalik po na kayo sa arrangement kanina na nasa tagiliran para po makita natin ang gusto. Okay lang po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Huwag na po kayo maghiwa-hiwalay. Basta yung group 6, group 5, group 4, group 3, group 2, and group 1. Okay. Ayan, mas kita niyo po na maganda ang inyong mga obra maestra. Of course, no? Sabi ni Sir, talagang di po ba? Challenging. Walang ginamit na tape, walang ginamit na stapler. Out of 30 straw. May tanong lang po ako. Alin po dito ang sa tingin nyo ang pinakamatibay? Siyempre, may kanya-kanya yan. Okay. Tingnan ko pa palakpakan na lang po tayo. This one po. Tingnan nasa panaman tayo. Okay. How about that one? Parang kanya-kanyang paalala na. Ito po. Sabi ni Raisa, palakpakan na may kasamang sigaw. Yung sila. How about this one?
Hawakan! Hindi mahuwak!
Okay.
Ano?
Ako po pipili.
Ugain! Ugain!
Ako nagpalaro eh.
Ugain! Ugain!
Ito, okay lang.
Ihagin!
Ito po ang pinakamatibay para sa akin. Sa inyo po, Ma'am Lu. Okay. Sige po. Kasi po para home sa isang bahay, kailangan po natin ng matatag na pundasyon. Matatag na pundasyon para ito po ay hindi tumuma. Yung iba po, okay lang po. Pero ang istro po, alam po natin na ang istro ay tumutumba, di po ba? Tumudulas.
May nalaglag! May nalaglag! May nalaglag!
Wala, nandito pa rin.
Kahit na po sabihin natin ang pinakamataas, pero kailangan po ay maging matatag. Katulad po ng ating curriculum, kailangan po ay meron tayong matatag na curriculum para po maisakatuparan natin ang ating gustong marating. Yun po ang tinatawag nating framework. Okay? Okay, magsisimula na tayo po sa framework. This time, after po ng ating masayang palaro, andito po ang ating mahal na si Tintin para po introduce niyo ang ating gathering.
Okay, so makakagrupo na po tayo ng mas kaunting grupo, no? Aning na grupo na lang po. Within our groups, may ask everyone to bring out their curriculum guide. Yan po. Yung napakamanipis na green-binded copy. Yan po. Nakalagay po sa harap, K-12 Curriculum Guide. Music and Arts. Ngayon sa ating kanya-kanya pong grupo, may I request all of you to have their leaders again to facilitate each group and try to discuss ano po ba yung strengths and weaknesses na makikita nyo dun sa framework. Ang framework po natin nakadescribe po dun sa unahan, first page, conceptual framework. Yan po yung description niya. Tapos po yung figure, nasa third or fourth page po, yung may below. Yan po. Tulad po ng sabi natin, hindi po lahat ng framework ay perfect. Nakita po natin kanina, maaari siyang magandang tingnan, pero meron din po minsan ibang meron pong strengths and weaknesses. Hahanapin po natin yun doon sa ating framework, and we'll try to discuss and try to see paano po ba natin ma-improve yung weaknesses, and of course, paano po natin magagamit yung strengths para mapunan yung weakness natin nandun sa framework. Yan po. So again, may I ask each group leader to please facilitate your group's discussions. Thank you. Rapporteurs, you may write down the comments and suggestions of the members of your group. We will be giving you Manila papers again. Bigyan po namin kayo ng hindi po alam ko kung malamig. 30 minutes to discuss it. Yung conceptual framework and the philosophy rationality. pages 1 to 4.